My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Volvo V40 T2 R Design. This vehicle has done just over 29,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, using the buttons just below, we can get quick access to My Vehicle, navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration and web browser. The V40 also comes with heated seats on either side, as well as parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full black interior and all of the seats have a leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.